Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have another unboxing video. As you can see here, it's from Warm and Fuzzy. Alright guys, so from this drop, this is actually from Qilo Tactical and collaborated with Warm and Fuzzy. So this is the DNC or Desert Night Camouflage Pants. Desert Night Camouflage was used by the United States during the Gulf War, and this was used as night camouflage against the Soviet-era night vision devices. If you ever use nods, especially early versions like I believe the PVS-5s and the PVS-7s, I'm not sure how well this would do, but considering they were using the green phosphorus tubes, this might actually work pretty well. I don't know, but it is pretty cool. So right off the bat, you can see here Warm and Fuzzy is embossed on the back. Waist size, this is a small. You can also see here on this button that looks like the head of Medusa, and instead of a face, it's Qilo for the collaboration with Qilo Tactical. Cool little tag here. Again, you have Medusa, and then that says that on the back. Super cool. And silica gels, keep it and pair it with your ammo so you know your ammo doesn't get rusty and go bad. But other than that, I believe there's a side pocket. Yep, so there's a back pocket here, side pocket on the left side, and looks like it's a YKK zipper. Yep, it is a YKK zipper. And there are belts here, so I'm assuming these might have been designed to potentially do EDC, but don't quote me. And then non-zipper pockets, just regular open pockets. But these feel pretty soft. I'm sure they'll get softer with a wash. And now that we are in the late fall, early winter, long pants are a must. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.